Hey, this is Bentley Atkins. This is CPSC 2100. This is our coding problem that deals with the Caesar cipher, and we're going to use it to decrypt some messages. We're going to go over two cases, and we're going to decrypt a story um, with the code. So we have the file. These don't really, I mean, we're not changing these. We're already kind of given with the problem, but it's just loading the file name. This is just stripping the word, returning the story, which we won't use till the end on the last case because it's going to read this TXT file. And initializer returns turns the message outside, get valid words. Yeah, okay. And this is the part where we'll actually start working with what we've done. So this is just essentially what this is doing. This is creating the dictionary, and this is mapping out the different letters letters to the corresponding letter after the dictionary. So this is our shifted dictionary. This is gonna convert the lower cases, um, the strings to lowercase. This is going to convert them to uppercase. I don't know how it's read. It's going to search for a letter in lowercase. It's going to take lowercase, index it, add the shift, and turn the remainder or the modulus 26. Um, then it's going to take that letter and that's going to become the shifted letter. This is, like I said, this is just essentially kind of like mapping it out and applying the shift. So it's creating it, applying the shift. And then let's see, same thing with the uppercase. And then this is what's going to actually apply the shift. So the shifted dictionary, um, this is going to call from this function here, build shift dictionary shift. This is building it. The encrypted text is going to go here. It's going to search the character through the message text. And if the character is in the encrypted text, it's going to add it to the shift dictionary, and then else I'll add just the character in return. Mm. So this is going to inherit from this message class here. Thing, yeah. So the message class is going to be considered our parent class, or well, yeah, yeah. Message is going to be our parent class, and let's see. Yeah, this initializes all of the attributes. And actually, I didn't use this as not to go with that comment. Doesn't need to be there anymore. So what this is doing is this is stores the shift values. This in creating the dictionary. This actually is building the dictionary itself, and then this is the encrypted version. The encrypted dictionary that's created with the shift, and this is for creating the actual version with the message. And this just returning it outside or accessing outside the class. It's pretty self-explanatory. Um, I actually thought I needed to uh, import, but it's actually part of Python's basic libraries whenever you're working with dictionaries. But basically, we're just making a copy of it, returning it. Um, uh, this is doing the same thing essentially, or not as this, but building the message text. And let's see, this this changes the shift values, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna update the encrypted message. Right. Yeah. This is the initializer, setting the two attributes, and here we are. This is the actual um this is the actual decrypting the message. Also this message, the ciphertext message inherits from message. You can see it there. So what we're looking at here is what this is doing is this is going to try all the values between 0 and 25, and it's going to return the shift value and correspondingly decrypt the message if the after decrypt a message that has the maximum number of valid words in it. The valid words are going to be greater than the max of the valid words. So for loop, it's going to shift through the range 26. Shifted text, it's going to apply that shift. It's going to create the word and split. And this is going through and checking if the words are valid for the words in word. Yeah. And this is returning the shift, the decrypted message. So let's see. And these were our test cases. Yeah. So it's loading the words. The expected output was this weird encryption. So this is testing to see if our plain text will actually that class will actually encrypt um the uh, the actual string or the characters, because it's actually searching through characters. And let's see. And that applies the decrypted message and the shift. And then this is going to decrypt the message back to hello. And then it's going to show your that's going to show your shift. And let's see. Yeah, and this is what we're going to use to decrypt the story, this function. So it's going to be, this is basically just getting the story from the story function we have up there. This is going to create the cipher message for the story. And this is coming from here, ciphering the text message, because it's already encrypted. We're trying to decrypt it. So this is going to play the shifts and the shifted story. And this is going to decrypt the message and return the shift. And then this will print it out. And so this one we were expecting. It's going to encrypt it. And then it does the word load file. Then this applies the shift and then the actual encrypted message. And then this is our actual story. And this is the shift. Yeah. All right, all right, thank you.